welcome back to KeeKee's world. Today we are super excited to bring this just like home cash register which can be pretend play as grocery shopping.
What is new toy for KeeKee? What is this, KeeKee?
This is supermarket.
Supermarket. Cash register. You can play as a supermarket here.
And this is good and pink.
And this is your favorite color, right?
Yes, it's pink color and soft.
This pink just like home cash register, beautiful design. It is for ages 3+. It has sound and it is operated with batteries. It includes a conveyor belt, a barcode scanner, cute pink color with a switch, and a working calculator. It also has space to keep money. When you press this button, there's a ding sound just like a real cash register when it opens. And also there is a shopping cart with some grocery items.
Yay!
Let's get started.
Open properly. I got it. I got it. Ready?
Yes. Here it is. Wow, it's out.
Wow, this has card to make payment and some cash too. This is how it looks after we take it out from the box. As you can see, there are some 7 to 8 notes too.
Wow, here we can put our cash. Or we can swipe card like this.
Nice sound. Let's open complete package now. And here it is. Cardboard is out. Now this is the actual product. Shopping cart is out now. And which KeeKee is holding in her hands. KeeKee is trying to open it. So now, KeeKee, you're not able to open it. Give it to me. I will help you. Now we are about to see what all things are there in this shopping cart. So first, plastic cover is almost gone. And we can see around 5-6 items in it. Soda, milk, frozen food, and some more. Here KeeKee is showing soda. KeeKee, count coins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We have 8 coins.
We have 8. Yay!
This is a conveyor belt which you can use, and your stuff will come here so that cash register person can bill you using the barcode scanner. And here it is, KeeKee is doing her barcode scanning. This is a numeric keyboard which you can do to your additions, etc. for the goods that you're selling, and it is a digital one. It has beep sound when you press all the buttons. And when you get the money, you press the button below C to keep and take out the money, and it sounds exactly like the real one. So now KeeKee is going to play with it. Now KeeKee gets lot of money today. She's becoming rich today. Oh, you have some coins too.
Hooray!
Let's swipe a card now. Oh, it makes a good musical sound as well. Now KeeKee's turn. KeeKee will take some time to learn this. Yeah. Clink! That's amazing. Okay, KeeKee is now filling her shopping basket. She's just busy playing with it already, putting stuff here and there, doing cash registry. It's another fun weekend for her. KeeKee, now say goodbye to your friends.